My spicy chicken wings. Rinse the chicken dry with paper towels. Cut wing tip off, toss in the trash. Watch your finger, don't cut it off. Pour in the oil and heat up. These are the ingredients for the sauce. Frank's Red Hot, butter, Worcestershire, clean up your mess, lemon juice and brown sugar. Test your oil. It looks good. Take out chicken wings and drain. Let sauce simmer for 10 minutes. Drop in the fries. Fry for 2 minutes. Remove the fries, let drain. Now we pour the sauce over the wings. Pop them in a Tupperware bowl. Give them a spin. And there we go. Sweet and spicy wings with French fries. If you enjoyed my video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much.